Safety and compliance officers take seriously their responsibility to make Material Safety Data Sheet, or MSDS, information available to anyone who may come into contact with hazardous chemicals while at work on their sites. MSDS access can be a matter of life and death as workers rely on them for safe handling instructions and turn to them in response to emergencies. An up-to-date chemical hazard inventory provides property and business owners with a valuable risk metric and gives emergency responders critical knowledge of the dangers they might face. Without a list of the hazards present, a fire chief would sooner allow a building to burn to the ground than to send a crew into unknown dangers. Laboratory, manufacturing, cleaning, and hospital staff need to know how to safely handle toxic or reactive products. Management needs to verify compliance with Tier 2 hazard reporting requirements, and first responders need to know where flammable aerosols are stored. Yet, maintaining this information only in binders and file drawers is expensive to maintain and distribute, difficult to verify, and hard to access, especially in an emergency. Web and fax-based subscription services may provide MSDSs on demand, but they don't provide insight into the kinds, quantities, or locations of products you have on site or the risks they may present as a result of their location. While the need and benefits of a well-maintained MSDS inventory are clear, so are the challenges and costs. Inefficient and unstructured systems involve not only considerable administrative cost, but risk of errors, omissions, and failure to deliver on demand in a crisis. Keeping documents up to date is only part of the challenge. Providing ready access, hard copy distribution, inventory reporting, emergency response, and risk assessment require more than an up-to-date set of files or MSDS library subscription alone will provide. The ARCHIBUS MSDS application is built to address these challenges. First, with ARCHIBUS MSDS, it's easy to build and manage your safety data sheet inventory. Simply click Add New, enter as much identifying information as you like, and load the MSDS into the database. Provide a URL and the application will retrieve the latest PDF from the manufacturer's website. Now it's your data. No need for ongoing subscriptions or external connections to access it, and the information is available to any user with access to ARCHIBUS. Any authorized user can quickly search by GHS ID, product name, manufacturer, constituent, location, and other details, then open the manufacturer's full product document. Some organizations need or choose to maintain and/or distribute MSDSs as hard copies. As a manual process, this is tedious, time-consuming, and subject to error. With ARCHIBUS, filter, group, and sort for any classification of product for any location. Select one or more MSDS entries and click Print Selected to generate a single collated PDF document that you can redistribute or send to a printer of your choice. In addition to day-to-day operations and safety data sheet management also involves higher levels of reporting and analysis. Organizations must provide periodic chemical hazard inventory reports to government agencies. This inventory data also benefits internal risk assessments. ARCHIBUS MSDS is more than a library of data sheets. The application supports hazards classifications by any number of standards and includes graphical representations of hazard locations and the level of danger they present. With locations shown on a map by MSDS quantities, count, and hazard level, you can quickly assess hot spots of risk across your facility's portfolio. The map can show evacuation areas and highlight by quantity of products or highest Tier 2 hazard present. Use this to further assess risk to your organization and the public, and, if needed, quickly provide initial emergency response information. Visualize details at a finer resolution within your buildings. You can use floor plan graphics to highlight product inventory locations and the risk they present, and provide detailed hazard plans and graphics to emergency responders. For any location, quickly access hazard classification information and retrieve the manufacturer's safety data sheet documents. We can't all function effectively at work in full protective gear, but we can be productive and confident of our safety within our work areas through the use of ARCHIBUS MSDS. Know what you have, where it is, the risks, how to prepare, and how to respond if needed. ARCHIBUS provides a web-based solution that gives access to your safety data sheet information from anywhere, letting you pull the right sheet from thousands of entries. It consolidates data to provide a comprehensive assessment of risk and to support inventory reporting requirements. It retains product location information and graphically displays hazard inventories via maps and floor plans. Everyone needs an MSDS system to reduce risk. Using ARCHIBUS to manage your safety data sheet inventory further reduces risk and increases productivity.